Good morning, everyone. Today I will show you how to answer the question whatever you got through as Google form, and you answer it through your Google Classroom. Click on Google Classroom, go to your classwork, then go to the practice paper. I show you the answering method through this demo question paper. So click on the question paper whatever you got. Click on instructions. It is very important to read all the related information, all the important information related to your examination given at the first page of the Google form in instructions section. You look that this form will give you only 30 minutes to answer all the questions. After 30 minutes is over, you will not able to submit your paper because the form is automatically locked. At first, you write your valid email address. Then write your name, write your full name. Please, everyone, write your full name. Then just click on next button. It will redirect to the main question part. Here this form has been divided into two sections, that is A, choose the correct one. Here just choose whatever you know. Each and every question should attempt. It is drop down menu. Click on choose. Click on next button. You redirect to the next part, that is match the following. Just match it with the appropriate one. If you want to verify your answer just before submission, just click on back and verify your answer. Then click on next. Verify all the answers before submission. When you verify all the answers, just click on submit button. Your response has been recorded. When you got this information, that means your response is completely recorded. And if you want to see your score, just click on view score. It display all the answers, whichever right, whichever wrong. And if you want to see this form replica from your Gmail, just back and go to your Gmail. Here here I just complete my examination and got a this Google form instruction. Just click on it. Now you see view score. That is the score, whatever you got, and it will show you all the answers, right answers and wrong one. Please don't submit twice this form, and after submission this, if you get any problem at the time of submission, please inform to the school authority. Thank you.